So today we're doing something really cool. I bought a new dock, so I'm going to be moving my old dock, probably selling it, but I'm heading to go get my new dock. So I'm just easing over there because I have to go real slow because I have my Sea-Doo ramp dock with me that I'm going to use just in case for a particular part. If I don't, I'll just drag it back with me. So heading along, going about 2,000 RPM, just barely above idle. It's going to take me a little while because we had about 5 miles to get there, but it's going to be a cool video of us moving a dock, a big, pretty good sized dock over 5 miles across the lake with 2 different boats, dragging it. Hopefully we won't have too much turbulence or problems. Stay tuned. So I had no idea my Sea-Doo dock was this dirty, but we're dragging this just in case we need it for an additional flotation device. So after fiddling around with different speeds and stuff, we ended up tying it here, and then I didn't do much good, so I went ahead and added some power, and now it's up on plane, and you can see it's just cruising along. So the next thing is this whole thing is disconnected. We've got my jet ski ramp under it and tied to it, and we're just going to take off, and that's going to fall, and the ramp's going to catch it, and everybody's going to be happy. Cool neighbor, well, got some beers, a couple of beers, and brought them back. So we got a pit crew bringing us some beers and shot a fireball. Thanks, Elisa.
So you're disconnecting the...
Went home, want me to go get it?
Yeah, I'll wait right here.
You're disconnecting the... not the bolts.
Taking the nuts off the bolts.
The nuts off the bolts. On a jet ski pad underneath it. Hershey is supervising.
So I used this jet ski dock as a creeper and got up under there and took all the nuts, 8 on each side, nuts and washers off the bolts that hold all this together at the pivot point. Now we're gonna get a pallet, lay the pallet on top of this, and then put a floor jack on top of that and try and jack this up a little bit so that we can just slide these pins out and lower it easily. And that's the next plan.
On a different angle here. Jet ski pad, pallet, floor jack. Getting the pins out.
Brilliant.
Why are you taking those off?
They got to go on the new one.
Oh,
This is how we're attaching the new one back to our existing.
gotcha. Well, y'all heard that, folks. Because I'm like, oh.
Not with that bolt though. Nothing. You have nothing.
Okay, wait a minute.
And watch your foot.
Go back.
All right,
Yeah.
good.
Easy.
And success.
How are we gonna get this off of here?
Success.
So now we can take and move this over there.
Where we gonna move it to? Over there.
We're just gonna, I reckon, like,
I mean,
So they're swinging the new dock around. The captain.
swing out now.
Swinging it out. It's so easy. You just gotta have patience. And then they're going to attach it. And here we go.
Come straight out, Ronnie.
It's just working out so nicely. Slowly but surely, working her in.
Lining up, trying to drive it straight in. We need to go more right a little bit. All right, throw yours in reverse. Careful.
Careful, stop.
We are. It's a slow process. Okay.
Watch your legs. And
Yep, I know.
might be able to line it up by hand now.
Yeah, we're close.
How we gonna lift it?
so he's dropping the spud.
Needs to go that way so it's moving. Tie the other side. Got something you tie the other side with?
So,
Be a lot easier if I didn't have extra 400 pounds on there.
I'm measuring it, man. Come on up. A little bit more. A little bit more. You're doing good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Stop there. Reassess.
so in order to get the plank up, this is his invention.
Got 2x4s mounted to the deck. That protecting it, a 2x8 with a 2x4 on it with a hole in it for the come along to stick into, and then a piece of chain that the come along is attached to on the other end.
So a little bit of muscle. And look at there, guys. Y'all can try this at home.
So what we're about to do here is we got all our come along in place with chained up, so it's supporting everything. The chain's going underneath that iron bar. We got our brackets bolted in, jam up tight. Now we're going to take this bar and lift the whole thing up, and then I'm going to cut these with the saw, and then we'll lower it down and allow the come along to control getting that lined up with that so that we can put the pin in right there. right, start lowering it down. That come along should pick up. Moving in nicely, right in line. Come on down with it.
That's it.
All right,
Yep.
good.
It's on the come along now.
Yep, we'll just start backing the come along down. We might have to, we might need this as we try and get this over the edge. But we'll see. Yeah, you didn't hear me when I said we're gonna need that again, did you? Yeah, we're probably gonna need that because I gotta get this over the edge.
Oh, okay.
You want me to keep recording? Okay.
Well, it's going down, Ronnie.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a little bit of adjusting.
Yeah.
But did it just sit on that?
Huh?
Did it just sit on the? Oh.
Now we got to bring that whole thing closer to us and move it over just a touch. But the breeze is like pushing it a little bit. Down near there. Let's get this out of the way. All right, that's good, Walt. We got the pins in.
Okay, it's loose.
One there and one there. Got this loose. So now we can start removing all our apparatus and our dock is done.
So got her all connected. She's beautiful. Just love being able to do these things on our own. The captain did a good job. So proud. Gonna paint her. Picked up some things. Gotta get power to the dock. It's all coming together. Good job, Captain.